Hey guitar enthusiasts, Lauren Bateman here. I'm so excited because we're going to be doing another Christmas song. You can see my dad got me another ugly Christmas sweater this year. So I'm going to do another Christmas song, and this one's really cool. It's Jingle Bells. Let's get into the guitar lesson. And just so you know, this isn't just any ordinary Christmas sweater. Thanks, Dad. I'm really excited to do this Christmas song with you guys because I grew up in Medford, Massachusetts, and that's supposedly where Jingle Bells was written in the mid-1800s. It also has other great classics like Over the River and Through the Woods to Grandmother's House. I used to drive by Grandmother's house all the time. Again, this is a very simple Christmas song. So if you're looking something, you're an absolute beginner, looking for something fun, easy, quick to pick up, Jingle Bells is a great beginner Christmas song. We're working with 3 chords here, okay? We're working with the C major chord, we are working with a G major chord, and we're also working with an F chord. Now, I know an F chord is typically a bar chord, but if you're an absolute beginner, I have an easy fix for you that I'm gonna throw up here, okay? The easy fix is an F major 7 chord. So if you know a full bar chord, awesome, do it. If you're an absolute beginner, it looks like our 3-fingered C chord here, all right? Except instead of the 2nd and 3rd fingers being on the 5th and 4th strings, instead they're on the 3rd and 2nd strings. It's not going to sound as nice as the full bar chord, but it'll get you through this song, and it makes for a really nice easy chord change between C and F major 7. So if you're an absolute beginner, give that a try, and it'll probably help you learn this song much faster. So let's get into our verse and what strumming patterns we're going to use on this song. Hey guys, real quick, I really hope you're enjoying this lesson. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you know when I release more videos just like this one on YouTube. So let's talk about the chord progression we're going to use for this lesson, all right? It does repeat. So we've got a C major chord 3 times in a row, followed by an F major chord. Then we have F again, G, G, C. And then it just repeats that all the way through. So the easiest way to strum this would be to just do 4 down strums. If you're an absolute beginner, that's what I would recommend. Or even do whole note strumming. That would be the absolute easiest. Dashing through the snow in a 1-horse open sleigh. Or you can do 4 strums. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Dashing through the snow in a 1-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. So that's kind of a peppy song. You could slow it down if you want to, but I'm going to play it in a peppy version. So that's the absolute easiest way to do this, and you can always slow down the timing. Second strumming pattern we're going to use is going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Very simple strumming patterns. The one that I like the most is going to be this last one, but it's also the most difficult strumming pattern because it's syncopated. So if you are an early stage beginner, it might be difficult for you to do this. But if you're a little bit more late beginner, intermediate, this should be fine for you to play. We're going to be doing the down, down, up, down, up pattern. So it's going to be 1, 2, and 4, and 1, 2, and 4, and down, down, up, down, up, up, dashing through the snow in a 1-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. And you can see that way, that time I did it a little bit slower, but you can pick up the speed. You can make it a peppy Jingle Bells, or you can make it a slow Jingle Bells, whatever you guys want. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this Jingle Bells tutorial. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and like the video. This way YouTube shows more of my videos to users just like you. Let's get back into the video. Let's talk about the chord progression in this chorus. I actually see we have an introduction of another chord here. We actually have a D major chord popping in. All right, so all the chords you would need, C, F, G, D major to play this song. We're gonna have 4 measures in this chorus of C. Then we have F, C, D, G. Then we're gonna repeat again 4 measures of C, a measure of F, a measure of C. This says a measure of G, but I think I'm gonna play 2 measures of G on this, and then a measure of C. You'll see when we get to the end of this. So let me do a playthrough for you guys. The song was written in 1850, so I don't think there's any copyrights on Jingle Bells. We'll find out. All right, here we go, starting from the top. So we got 1, 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. So there you go. So you can see at the end I added that extra G because I was extending out that really nice one-horse open sleigh. So you guys can do that if you want to, but that gives you guys an idea for a tempo and a pace for this song. If the tempo's too fast, just slow it down. You don't have to play a peppy Jingle Bells. You can play a slow Jingle Bells. It doesn't matter to me. Whatever suits your fancy. I hope you guys have a lovely, lovely Christmas. Practice hard. YouTube's gonna pop up some more videos over here. I'll put a playlist of my other Christmas songs down there if you wanna go check those out for the Christmas season. And I'll see you guys hopefully soon in another lesson video.